Hello, Sari stars. How are things going on in your Sari world? I am Lakshmi, and today at Kalpavastram, I am going to showcase a Navratri special collection of saris. Navratri is just round the corner, and this is one of my most favorite festivals. And I am sure many of you out there love and enjoy this lovely festival. It is a common practice to dress in different colors during this lovely festival. So it gives a sense of togetherness and community and joy and belonging when we see many people all dressed up in the same color. So usually there is a pattern called the 9 colors of Navratri. So each day is given a different color and women love to dress up in the color of the day. So today I am going to share with you some beautiful saris in the first 3 colors of this time's Navratri. The Navratri color for day 1 this year is yellow. Yellow is such a beautiful, vibrant, and positive color, and this is a color which immediately makes the wearer feel happy. So, we have some beautiful saris for you in this lovely yellow. Our first pick in yellow is a beautiful Korvai threadwork Kanjivaram in a gorgeous and unusual combination of yellow and blue. Since this is a threadwork Kanjivaram, you can easily wear it to work and small occasions as well. What better than this gorgeous cotton sari with lovely Lambani hand embroidery for your Navratri festivities? This is a very beautiful sari and it's personally one of my favorites from this yellow collection. This is a beautiful Odisha silk sari. The body is in this lovely mustard and it has pasapalli motifs in the borders in red. The pallu is also very gorgeous and this gives a stunning effect overall to this sari. The color combination of the sari is absolutely phenomenal and the pallus of Paithani saris are absolutely breathtaking and always a conversation starter. Another beautiful pick in yellow for you. This one is a beautiful Kattam Korvai Kanjivaram silk sari without any zari. The borders are in a beautiful bagni color and there is a lovely green selvage which highlights the beauty of this sari. We have many more saris in yellow, in different shades of yellow, from across different parts of India, the different weaves of India. So head over to our website to shop for these beautiful yellow saris. The color for day 2 of Navratri is green. Green is a very gorgeous color and it's a color we find all around us in nature. It's one of my favorite colors too. We have some beautiful options for you in green. I'm going to share here some of these with you. This is a KV exclusive sari. It's a gorgeous green Kanjivaram silk sari with kasuti and negi hand embroidery. The beautiful color, the jewel tone green, is complemented by this lovely embroidery in various colors that we have done on the body. And the pallu is a beautiful mustard which complements the sari in a great way. A gorgeous green sari. This one is in a fresh shade and this one is a beautiful organza Banarsi sari. This is perfect for your Navratri festivities. This shade of green is so soothing and so calming that you will fall in love with this beautiful sari. A grand, gorgeous green Kanjivaram silk sari, beautiful with Mail Chakram motifs is what we have for you. This is a beautiful pick and Mail Chakram is a very loved motif, very loved pattern and you must absolutely have a Mail Chakram sari in your wardrobe. One of my absolute favorites in green saris, this one is a beautiful pastel green Kanjivaram silk sari with lovely zari motifs and the pink pallu complements it in an absolutely beautiful way. What is Navratri without Bandhani? We have a beautiful, gorgeous green Gaji silk Bandhani for you. Absolutely beautiful and breathtaking. This is just perfect for Navratri and your Garba and Dandiya nights. We have many more beautiful saris in green in different shades, different weaves. So please head over to our website to have a look at all these beautiful green saris and make one of them yours. The day 3 color for Navratri is grey. Grey is a very beautiful, subtle, elegant and calming color. We have some beautiful options for you in this lovely, subtle shade. One of our beautiful picks for you is this lovely, elegant silk Moirangfi sari. This is in a beautiful and hard to come by combination of grey with purple. This is one of my absolute favorites from the grey collection. A gorgeous short grey Banasi Katan silk sari with beautiful Sona Rupa Kadwa weaving is one of our special picks for you this Navratri. This is a beautiful, stunning sari, and if you accessorize it with some lovely silver jewelry, you're all set for your Navratri festivities. A gorgeous masterpiece Korvai Kanjivaram silk sari with Adai weaving in a beautiful, subtle shade of grey with lovely Korvai deep purplish borders is one of our special picks for you this Navratri. This is a gorgeous, stunning festive sari just perfect for your festivities. Gadwals are among the most comfortable and much loved kind of saris. This is a beautiful cotton gadwal in grey with a lovely silk kutu border in purple. The color combination is absolutely breathtaking, stunning and one of its kind. A classic grey Kanjivaram silk sari with beautiful Ganda Berunda zari motifs and a lovely elaborate zari pallu in black is our special pick for you this Navratri. This is a beautiful, gorgeous sari, absolutely breathtaking. What is not to love in this beautiful combination? Today I have showcased weaves from different parts of India in the first 3 Navratri colors of day 1 to day 3. You can find many more of these beautiful saris in these colors on our website. To celebrate Navratri with the Kalpavastram sari, head over to our website www.kalpavastram.com. Thank you for watching this video. I'll be back soon with more saris and more videos. Till then, take care and bye.